Hi there friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are one of my beautiful subscribers. My name is Valentine and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So the brand Heaven by Marc Jacobs recently had an archive sale, which means they took a bunch of their old designs and I think they just pulled them from the archives. I don't think they started reproducing them. I think it was just extra inventory that they had. I was kind of getting a little bit of FOMO when I was browsing the site because there was stuff that I was like, if I don't have that and someone else has that, I will get mad. I will get jealous. So I did end up buying a couple things. So if you guys are not sure what the brand Heaven looks like or stands for, I'll put a couple pictures over here. But Heaven is under the brand Marc Jacobs. The style is very inspired by the Fruits magazine. I believe that is from the early 2000s and the 90s. They have a really cool, like, colorful grunge street style is kind of like how I would put their brand into a category, which I really think really does reflect my own style too. I will be doing a video for each of these items just so I can focus on each one at a time and give you guys a fully fledged review. So in this first video, I will be reviewing the Ratgirl dress. Alright, so I've got the box here and it did ship fairly quickly. I ordered it on, I believe, Wednesday of last week and it came yesterday, which was Wednesday. So it took about a week to process and ship, which is a very good shipping time, especially for a large sale like this. My order came in this plain brown box, but I do think that there is some yellow on the inside because you can kind of see, you literally cannot see it on camera, but there's some yellow in here. So I think the inside might be a little bit decorated, might have some color in it because I do see the yellow poking through. I will say UPS was kind of rough with it because there is like this whole dent in the front, so maybe, I know that's not Marc Jacobs' fault, but UPS definitely please be more careful with your items. Also the side right here is all dented in, so I'm glad I didn't buy anything that can break, luckily. I'm very excited to unbox this because I have never really like treated myself like this before. I think this is my first designer purchase from like, I don't know, from like a nice designer brand because, you know, 99% of my closet is thrifted and I never get the opportunity to treat myself. These are literally, I could not have grabbed smaller scissors. I just grabbed these little sewing scissors. Maybe I should have grabbed some bigger ones, but I'm not really sure how to open this. Here we go. Okay, all right. The inside of this box is yellow, like I was talking about, and it says Marc Jacobs right there. So it looks like the dress came on a hanger, which is very nice. I've never ordered anything online where it came on a hanger, so this is new. I don't know if that's just like a designer thing in particular. It also came in a plastic sleeve, which I think is also very nice. There's nothing else in the box, so I'm just gonna set it aside. So when it comes to sizing, I constantly lie somewhere between a small and a medium. So for this dress, I did get a size medium because I figured I could always, you know, bring in the seams, alter it so it can be smaller, but if I buy a small size, I really can't alter it, so it is a little bigger. And also for the style of this dress, I really think it would be more flattering if it was a little bit bigger rather than a little bit smaller. So I have the dress out of the plastic. It is so delicious. It is scrumdiddlyumptious. I'm smiling because it's so cute. I am so glad I got a size medium because just holding it up to me, I think it's gonna fit absolutely perfectly. So not only did it come with a nice plastic hanger, which I think is a really nice touch, it also came with this Heaven tag. The material is very, very lightweight, kind of silky. Here's what the pattern looks like close up. It says Ratgirl all over it with some little rat heads, which I love. I used to have pet rats and I miss them, and if you know anyone who has pet rats or you have pet rats, then you know how sweet they are and how cute they are. So this is kind of like a little tribute to my dead pet rats. Here's what the tag looks like. It says Ratgirl, and then next to it is the size tab right here, which is a size medium. All right, now it's time to try it on for you guys. I'm gonna try it on and then I will be right back. Alright you guys, so here's the dress on. It literally fits so perfectly. I literally tried it on, I zipped it up the side, and I'm like, this was made for me. So first of all, right off the bat, this dress fits so comfortably. It is so lightweight. There's only one layer of fabric to this dress, so there is no like underlayer or anything. It is just one piece of fabric. On the bottom, on top, there is 2 layers. I love everything about this dress. I was worried that it would be too long, but I love where the hem stops. I will let you guys know that I am 5'10" and I got a size medium and it fits absolutely perfectly. Usually, whenever I do buy dresses dresses online, I am wary that it will be too short on me because I am very tall, but this dress fits perfect. Here's what the back looks like of the dress. There is no back zipper. There is a zipper on the side though. Like I said, it is cool, it is comfortable. My only complaint though is that I feel like this digs into my armpit a little too much, and I think that's only because I did have to make the straps a little bit tighter because I don't really have that full of a chest, so I did have to tighten the straps. So I think that's part of the reason why this is kind of like in my armpit a little bit. But if I did lower the straps, it would just come down way too far, and I'm not really comfortable with, you know, having it come down that far. Alright, so now that I've tried the dress on, giving you guys a little bit of a review, I'm going to put together a couple outfits that I think would look good with this dress, so I'll be back to you guys when I have those outfits together. Hey there friends, it's Hannah, and I'm back with 3 outfits that I picked out for you guys in 3 different styles, and I think they all go super well with the dress. So for this first outfit, I chose to go a little bit more dark, a little bit more gothy, and I paired the dress with this leather coat that I thrifted, along with a pair of knee-high socks and some platform Oxfords. For the necklaces, I have a sweet tooth necklace from the brand Crypt Fairy, as well as a spiked choker. The knee-high Argyle socks, which literally match the colors of the dress perfectly, are by the brand Ratgirl, and I am also wearing a pair of Unif shoes. These shoes are called the Des shoe, and if you are interested, they are on Unif's website. They are very comfortable, and I think they go literally perfect with these knee-high socks. For outfit number 2, I decided to name this look Playful Party Girl, just because I think it is very playful, and I think you can totally wear this to like a birthday party, or even out bowling, or dancing, or out to dinner. My favorite part about this look is how a simple belt can totally change the silhouette of an outfit. I kind of added a little bit of a waist with this chain belt, and with the other accessories, I added a long pearl necklace, which kind of gives it that playful party look, as well as a silver choker. And then for the shoes, I have my black Shaker 100s by the brand Ammonia. I actually did an unboxing for these shoes if you want to go see that on my channel. And for the last outfit, this one is the most casual outfit of them all. I just paired the dress with a little white baby tee, and I paired it with a pair of Buffalo London platform shoes, which are literally my favorite pair of shoes to wear out. They're so casual and cute. I paired this look with a little black backpack, and for the necklace, it is by the brand Crypt Fairy as well. And for my hair, I just put it up in a little butterfly clip. So overall, I highly recommend this dress if you are looking at getting it. It is such a cool and comfortable dress, very lightweight, and you can wear it with a bunch of different styles. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe.